Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Kurama from Naruto. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Kurama, we're going to begin with the face. So to start off with this, we want to begin right here. And we just want to start by making a little line that's just going to come up and then over. Next, we're going to make another little line that's going to go over and up. Right over here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go up and over for the eyes. Right here, we're going to make two little curved lines for the eyebrows. And a little half circle shape in here for the pupils. Starting here, we're going to draw a long line that's going to come down. It's going to come up. Then we're going to go down and then back up. And we're going to bring it up to here. Starting here, we're going to make kind of like a little rounded triangle shape for the nose. And then we're going to draw a long line that's going to come up here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and come up for the mouth. And then inside of here, we're going to add a long zigzag line full of teeth. Next, we're just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go right around here. It's going to follow that same shape, getting a little bit bigger down here. Next, we're going to draw some little zigzag pointed lines out here. And same thing over here for the sides of the face. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a long line that's going to curve up. It's going to come to a point, and then it's going to come down here. Next, we're going to come up to a point, and then we're going to come down. Next, we're going to make some little zigzag lines across for the top of the head. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a long line that's going to come up right above the eye, and it's going to go all the way to the tip of the ear. Then we're going to draw this line down, and we're going to come right around the eye. This one we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start this line, but we're just going to go right over here along the edge. Then we're going to come down and go right to here. Right here, we're going to make a little curved line. And we're going to draw a little line down. Next, we're going to draw a little line that comes out. And then right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down, and we're going to put a couple points on here. Next, we're going to make a little line that comes in. Right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down to a point and then back. We're going to do another one here. We're going to do one right here. One here. And then one right here. Now, starting right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve in. And we're going to bring this line, we're going to bring it up and over. Then we're going to leave some space and we're going to curve this line up. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to make it come out to a point and then back. We'll do another one right here. Do one here. One more here. We're going to make one that comes to a point and then up. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down. And we're going to make a little line that's going to come out here. This just kind of goes out and down. Curve a line that comes around to a point. We're going to make another one that's going to come down to a point and back. Down to a point and back. One more here. We'll finish it off with one more right there. And we're going to bring this in, and we're going to bring it up with a couple points. And we're going to bring this all the way back here. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come up for the back of the body. Then right here, we're going to leave a little bit of space. We're going to come up, and then we're going to bring it down and out to the ear. And we're going to bring it down to here. We're going to make a little line that's going to come down and over. And we're going to pop out here and add another little point. We'll do one here, and then one more right out here, and then we're going to bring it in. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a long line that's going to come up to a point, and it's going to make another point, and then we're going to bring it all the way back down. Next, we're going to make one that's going to curve around here, and another little line. We're going to make another one that's going to come out to here. We're going to make some long pointed lines out here, and we're going to bring them back. I'll make a line that's going to come out, and then another one here. Then we'll make another long line that's going to curve up and then come back, because he's got a lot of tails. We're going to make one that's going to come up to a point, and then a bigger point and down. Make one that's going to come down, or up and down. Another one's going to go up to a point. We're going to come down and then back. And then we'll make one that's going to come out here to a point. We're going to go down and then bring it back. Now, one of the last things we want to do is just add the little claws. So on each one of these little toes, we're just going to add a little curved line for a claw on each one. So we're just going to go ahead and do this to all of them. And then I like to add a couple of these little lines. He's got some of these extra lines on here just for a little bit of detail. Little line on his back and a couple more over here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Kurama from Naruto. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.